Skyward is an online portal that allows parents and guardians like yourself to track their children's progress in school. You can view report cards on Skyward, as well as progress reports, class schedules, and assignment grades. Through Skyward, you can communicate with teachers electronically. You can also monitor your child's absences and discipline. But first, you need to learn how to log into Skyward. You should have already received your login information from your child's school. If you have not activated your account or have forgotten your account information, please contact your child's school to gain access. To log into Skyward,
And let me just interrupt here. This is Dr. Francisco. If you do not know how to log in, please visit our district. You can go to your school's website, or you can visit our district website, which is psdri.net. At the top, you'll notice Skyward is an option. Click on Skyward, and it will bring you to the Skyward login page. On the Skyward login page, type in your username or your login ID, and then put in your password.
after signing in, you can set your language preferences for Skyward. Click on Account Settings and check off Google Translator. Then, in the dialog box at the top of the screen, you can choose from a drop-down menu of language preferences. Report cards are issued every quarter. To view your child's report card, first make sure your child's name is visible in the top left corner of the screen. If you have 2 or more students, click the arrow next to the All Students heading to see the names of children associated with your account. Then, simply click on the name of the student whose information you wish to view. Report cards are available for viewing under the Gradebook tab of the menu to the left side of the screen. Grades for the first quarter report card are listed in the Q1 column. Grades for the second quarter report card are listed in the Q2 column, etc. You may notice a column titled First. The grades in that column signify a child's first semester grades and are calculated by combining a child's first and second quarter grades. Similarly, the column titled Second refers to the average grade for the second semester. You can print out copies of your children's report cards by clicking on the Portfolio menu, highlighting the report you wish to print, and choosing Print. If you want to view your child's report cards from previous years, click on the Academic History tab on the left. Middle and high school students also receive progress reports midway into a quarter. Your student's progress report could be accessed by clicking on the Gradebook tab. The P1 heading indicates the first quarter progress report, while the P2 heading indicates the second quarter progress report, etc. The Schedule tab displays your students' classes for each period for the current school year, including teacher, room, and meeting time. Click on the course title highlighted in blue to see a description of the class. Text highlighted in blue is linked to other functions. Click on the teacher's name highlighted in blue to send an email, for example. You can access your child's assignments by clicking on the Gradebook tab. Above the Classes column, there is a tab marked Display Options. If you checked Assignments, you can view your child's current and future assignments along with his or her grades. Click on the Attendance link in the left side menu to view your student's attendance for each day of the current school year. Attendance information includes date, period, and class. Skyward can also give you access to the school calendar, your student's portfolio, and a number of other features.
Hi, I'm Dr. Francisco. Thank you for joining us to learn how to access your child's grades, attendance, and even discipline and contacting teachers through Skyward. We'll see you next time.